In this lesson, we'll go over combining like terms. So what does that mean? That means we're just going to add. So we're adding monomials. With the same variable and exponent combination. So, for example, we have 3x plus 5x. Okay, this number in front here is known as the coefficient. It's just a number in front of our variable and exponent combination. If we look at these, they're both the same. So 3x and 5x are like terms. They're not the same exact term, but they're like terms. And when we add these together, which we can do because they are like terms, we just add the coefficients. So 3 plus 5 is 8, and we keep this as x. Think of this as like maybe apples. If we had 3 apples, and we add 5 more apples, we end up with 8 apples. This doesn't become a different type of apple. It stays the same, just that you have more of them. So 3x plus 5x would just be 8x. Let's look at another example. 7x squared y plus 4x squared y. Alright, again, these are like terms. We have x squared y, x squared y. So when we combine them, we just add the x coefficients. 7 plus 4 is 11, x squared y. What if we had 5xy plus 11 x squared y squared? Okay, this has an xy, this has xy. But this is x to the first, y to the first. Here we have x squared and y squared. So these are not like terms. We can't combine them. They actually just remain the same. Not like terms. They have to be exactly the same. So we got one more, 14 x squared y cubed is z plus x squared y cubed is z. These are like terms. We don't see a number here, so we might want to write 14 x squared y cubed z, but that's not correct. Same thing. Think about this crazy thing here, x squared y cubed z, as apples. You have 14 apples plus an apple. You're going to end up with 15. So if there's no number written in front, it's actually a 1. We just don't have to write it. So we have 14 x squared y cubed z plus 1 x squared y cubed z equals 15 x squared y cubed z. So for like terms, I have to have the same exact variable and exponent combination, and then we just add the coefficients together to combine like terms.